Let us start by adding 3 cups of self-raising flour, a third cup of milk powder, a third cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ tablespoon yeast, a quarter cup of oil, and lastly add 1 cup of milk. Cover the dough with a cloth, let it rise in warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. First, let us start by greasing the tin with oil. Take one piece of the dough and flatten it with your palm. Then place a small amount of cream cheese in the center and wrap the dough around it. Pinch the edges to seal the filling inside. Repeat with the rest of dough and filling. Cover it again for the second time and let it rise. Garnish the top with egg whites and add sesame seeds on top. Now let us bake the dough at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Take 1 tin of the honeycomb and add condensed milk. Take the second tin of the honeycomb and sprinkle icing sugar on top. Now return the tin with the sprinkled icing sugar in the oven and use the upper grill. Bake the top until the icing sugar melts and turns into dark golden brown. A recipe has no soul. You as the cook must bring the soul to the recipe.